Grit your teeth. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is grit your teeth. Grit your teeth to supersize your business. What the heck does that mean? Where does it come from? And how can I use it in my business right now with all the craziness that's going on with COVID-19 and with politics in the United States at least? What the heck are you talking about, Sharon? What can I do to grow my business during these chaotic times? And what is gritting my teeth or biting the bullet have to do with it? We talked about the idiom bite the bullet. Geez, it's been probably 8 months ago now, 240 days-ish. So all these idioms, they mean something to other people, whether they mean something to me or to you or not. Other people may have tight associations with idioms and expressions and words and vocabulary. And that's why we talk about it, so that we understand that we might not see things the same way other people do, but by being able to see things the way other people do, it helps us to run our businesses and do our businesses and lead other people better. So to grit your teeth is one of those idioms that means to not show your feelings, right? To put up with a difficulty or to experience some kind of a pain courageously. Well, we want to do that in our lives and in our businesses, to lead by example. It's a terrific way to lead by example. To grit your teeth means to bite your teeth together. Grit means, one definition of grit means to clamp down and clamp your teeth together. And so gritting our teeth means we're putting up with stuff that's hard, but we're dealing with it as best we can. We're focusing, we're charging, we're working our way through it. And that's what we do with challenges and obstacles and failures and, you know, things that are outside of our control, but we need to deal with respect to our business in order to continue to achieve what we want to achieve with our business, to move forward no matter what's going on around us. So this idiom, although it's been popular since the 18th century in the United States, it actually comes from a much older expression, a Greek ancient expression that means to set your teeth. So there seems to be a lot of teeth setting and grinding our teeth, and you know, I don't know about you, but sometimes I grind my teeth in my sleep. I'll wake up and I'll find that my jaw hurts because I've been clenching my jaw in my sleep. Well, that means there's something going on during the day that needs my attention or I need to focus on. And a lot of people do that. I know some people that grind their teeth a lot. One of my sisters ground her teeth so much in her sleep that she had to have some special work done, dental work done. But I like this idiom because it goes back to, reminds me of my childhood. When I was little, we grew up in an old farmhouse that had a wooden floor in the family room. And my sisters and I and my cousins, we used to like to, in our stocking feet, run and then slide across this room. Because, you know, that's the kind of thing kids did before the internet. We did active play and fun things. Well, unfortunately, this old wooden floor, this was back in the olden days of real wooden floors, and that floor was probably 50 years old at the time, had a tendency to give us slivers. So although it was really fun to slide across the floor in our stocking feet, we would often get slivers. And one time my cousins and I were sliding across the floor, and of course I got a gargantuan sliver in my foot. Well, fortunately for me, my uncle, my dad's brother, my dad's only brother, was a veterinarian. So my dad and my uncle were going to perform surgery on my foot. Well, they didn't have anything to do surgery. So they had me grit my teeth and bite down on, I don't remember what it was. It was some hard wooden object. And then they poured vodka on my foot so that they could dig out this giant sliver. And so that was my first reminder of anyone telling me to grit my teeth, to tolerate pain and discomfort in a courageous way. And that's been carried with me throughout my life, because I learned that I can put up with a lot more than we ever think that we possibly can. We can tolerate a lot more change and pain and difficulty and challenges than we ever really believed possible. So we can lead by example to help grow and build our business with respect to how we're handling crisis and change like COVID-19. Are you in your business and for your particular business leading by example? Are you taking action, continuing to move? Are you focusing on what you can do and solutions instead of what you can't do? Are you leading and demonstrating and being a role model of change and how to creatively solve problems and face challenges in your business? If you are, that's awesome. If you're not, you can always do better, right? We can always continually improve and do better. So we want to pay attention to what we're focusing on. We want to pay attention to how we're leading and the example that we're setting, because if we're not feeling good about how we're moving forward in a situation, how on earth do we ever expect the people around us or the people that we're leading, whether it's in our families or our businesses, to feel good and confident going through change and through challenges? And the other thing I find is that when I'm focusing on solutions and when I'm giving and serving other people, I'm less focused on my own personal situation, everything seems to open up and do better and feel better. And then success follows. If I am serving other people and giving value, I'm not worried about my day-to-day little bitty challenges that pop up, because I'm focusing on a bigger picture. Sometimes we need to focus outside of ourselves in order to help ourselves advance and move forward in our lives. So I'd love to know your experience with grit your teeth. Do you grit your teeth when you are working on or focusing or going through a difficult situation? Or what do you do? Share in the comments below. What do you do when you're faced with a challenge? What do you do in a difficult situation? That's it. Go out and have an absolutely amazing day. I will see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow your business right now?